How to install Flix Vision on Firestick or Android TV. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily download or install Flix Vision on Firestick or Android TV. So first and foremost, install the downloader app on your device and then turn on unknown sources. Now launch the app for use and hover over the URL bar or the hashtag icon and click the select button on your remote. Type 346420, which is the downloader code for the official Flix Vision website, and click the load button. If that doesn't work, you can also visit the official download site for Flix Vision. Now click on the download app now button, wait for the application to download, click install, and then you will see the Flix Vision app installed message. So choose done and then click delete to remove the installation file. Click delete again. You can now launch Flix Vision from your list of apps. And that's it. That is how to install Flix Vision on Firestick or Android TV.